Hello guys, welcome to another video. I know, it hasn't even been an hour. It's already here. The system's already set. And here's a quick tour. Even though I don't have a second poll station in this test, but in test 3, there will be a second poll station here. In the previous test, there was not. No, there was a second poll, but actually, there's an annunciator. It was 270 FPO, 20 out 3 with 933 behind it. 7.2T, Spector, and EST Genesis. So, let's start the test. Man, that was loud. Okay, so 2098 time. Yep, that's the first time I used the annunciator in this system. And it may be included in the further tests. Now, time for different code time. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, code continuous. Here we go again. Man. Now, let's try another code, because I didn't get to do that in the previous test. March time. Forgot to reset. Here we go. Now, done. Okay, that's it for test 2, and I hope you enjoyed this one.